Hello and welcome back to the Introduction to Enhanced Google Analytics by MashMetrics. This is tip number 7, using the Custom Report Library. Through the years, MashMetrics has created many different shared elements within Google Analytics. Now, these elements cannot simply be added to your profile like we do with goals and filters, etc. No, Google can't make everything so easy. What you can do is share various links, and you can then import these into your Google Analytics. Let's go ahead and show you how. While of course you can click the link at the bottom of this tip, we want to show you a couple different ways in order to get to the Custom Report Library. First, go to MashMetrics.com. On the far right side, you should see the resources. Go ahead and click on that and drop down to Custom GA Library, and you'll be taken to the appropriate page. You can also go directly to our resources page at mashmetrics.com/resources, and you'll also see a link to the custom library. You'll also see a link to this training if you want to start from the beginning. From this page, adding the various elements to your own Google Analytics profile is easy peasy. However, one note, if you're just listening in, the reports, segments, and dashboards that are highlighted with an asterisk depend upon the multiple events and the 15 pre-configured goals that come with MashMetrics Enhanced Google Analytics. Don't have it yet? Start now. It's free. Let's go ahead and demonstrate how to add these various elements to your own profile. First, simply pick the report that you would like to add to your Google Analytics profile. Let's go ahead and click on Page Actions. It will then take you directly to your Google Analytics. You may need to sign in first if you're not already. At this point, go ahead and select a view that you would like this report to be added to. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. Press Create. Now, since it drops you directly into that report, let's go ahead and find that. Within your customization area, if we click on this, you'll see a drop-down. Go ahead and select Custom Reports. And a report that you've added will then show up within this list. The same thing goes for segments. Quickly click on the segment. It will ask which view you want to add that in. You might as well click on any view and click Create. It will then send you to the signups or the setup area where you can simply save. Everything else has been done for you. Then you will see it in your drop-down list here. Last but not least, let's go ahead and add one of the Google Data Studio templates. Now this area will take you to Google Data Studio, which you may not be familiar with. So let's go ahead and walk through how to adapt this to your own profile. First, on the far right side, you'll need to make a copy of this report. It'll ask you to select a new data source. Now, you probably don't have one, so let's go ahead and create a new data source. Don't worry, this is fairly easy. Select Google Analytics from the left-hand side. If you're an enhanced customer, go ahead and select Enhanced GA and your enhanced profile. If you've chosen one of our custom packages, simply select the profile that you wish to have your dashboard viewable for and add to the report. Considering the goals and the events are already set up based upon our template, everything will start to populate accordingly. Bingo!